Hi guys, Justin here of Yugatech, and Realme has recently unveiled its latest smartwatch, the Realme Watch S. So the Realme Watch S is an upgrade to the Realme Watch, coming in with a different design, strap, watch face, and of course with an affordable price. So without any further ado, let's check it out. First things first, let's see what's inside the box. Lifting up the lid, the first thing you'll see is the watch itself. Then under that is this magnetic charger and the manual. And that's pretty much everything. Now for design, the smartwatch comes with a circular form factor that's made of an aluminum alloy. There are two buttons on the right side, one is for the power button, while the other serves as a shortcut button. It also comes with a 22mm silicone strap that's available in different colors. There's blue, orange, green, and black. It's a big watch, which suits people who love big watches. Now the Realme Watch S looks very premium and sits comfortably on the wrist. Flipping through its back, you'll see the sensors and the charging contact piece. It's also notable that it has an IP68 certification, making it water resistant up to 1.5 meters. Moving on to display, it sports a 1.3-inch circular touchscreen display with a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels, and there's a minimal delay in touch response, but it's not that bothersome. Nonetheless, the raise-to-wake gesture is pretty responsive. When it comes to the screen's quality, the colors are vibrant, and while using it under direct sunlight, it is bright, which lets you see the screen clearly. You can manually adjust the brightness directly to your watch, or you can set it to auto mode. Similar to their previous Realme Watch, the Realme Watch S also has a comprehensive set of fitness and wellness related features. There are 16 different workout modes, including outdoor run, walk, indoor run, outdoor cycle, aerobic capacity, strength training, football, basketball, ping pong, badminton, indoor cycle, elliptical, yoga, rowing machine, and even stationary bike. I like that users can track their heart rate and SpO2 anytime. Other key features of the Realme Watch S includes the standard sleep monitoring, call rejection, smart notifications, Find My Phone, music, and camera control. You can install the Realme Link app and pair up your watch to enable features like the watch faces with over 100 designs to match your mood or OOTD. With this, you can also enable notifications such as Get Up and Water Reminder. Do take note that the Realme Link app is only available for Android users. For battery, the Realme Watch S packs a 390 mAh capacity, and Realme claims that it can get you up to 15 days before you need to reach for the charger. And as for charging, it uses a magnetic charger which can charge the watch to 100% within 2 hours. Okay, so for the price, the Realme Watch S is officially available for 4,990 pesos. Smartwatches may not be as mainstream as smartphones today, but that didn't stop brands like Realme from joining the smartwatch game this year. So if you're someone who's looking for a smartphone companion with added features to help you track your fitness goals without spending a ton of money, this is definitely a must-have. And there you have it guys, what do you think of this Realme Watch S? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and you know the drill. Don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.